Hello friends, and welcome back to Tony's Kitchen. So today we're making my favorite, delicious curry scallops. So here I have about a pound of bay scallops that I've already defrosted. I would just pat them dry. We're going to turn the stove on medium high. Add some oil to your pan. This is ghee. If you don't hear that sizzling sound, then your pan is not hot enough. You want them to cook beautifully. We're going to let these cook a couple of minutes on each side. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. These are nice and golden brown, just like I like them. Remember, if you're cooking scallops, a non-stick pan is your friend. You're looking for crust on the outside and tender on the inside. That is gorgeous. Okay, we'll let these cook for about another minute. It's been a minute, so now they're done. We're going to remove them from the stove. So now let's make our curry sauce. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to add some onions and cook them till they sweat and looking delicious. And to that, I'll add diced tomatoes, one teaspoon of garlic, we're going to let that saute for a couple of minutes. Making sure not to burn it. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. See, this is easy peasy. Add 2 more tablespoons of butter. Turmeric. Scotch bonnet for a little bit of heat. It is optional, but I absolutely love it. Chili pepper. Ginger.
cilantro,
Give it a good stir.
I'm going to add a cup of heavy cream,
At this point, I'll add some salt-free original blend. Feel free to use regular salt.
chives, curry powder,
And once I add everything, I'm just going to cook it down until it is ready. You don't want to cook it vigorously. You want to cook it nice and slow. That is how we build the flavors.
Okay guys, this has simmered for about 5 minutes and it's done. So now we're going to pour it on top of the scallops.
It is just perfect. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Until next time.